Trees can talk to each other. True. Trees use the wood wide web to share nutrients, warn of dangers, and help their offspring. A single tree can provide enough oxygen for 4 people. True. One tree produces 260 pounds of oxygen yearly, enough for 4 people. Trees can scream when stressed. True. Trees emit ultrasonic sounds when stressed or thirsty, too high for humans to hear, but real. Some trees can live for over 5,000 years. True. The Great Basin bristlecone pine is over 5,000 years old, one of Earth's oldest living organisms. The tallest tree in the world is as tall as a 30-story building. True. The Hyperion, a California redwood, is Earth's tallest tree at 379 feet, 115.5 meters. Trees can migrate over time. True. Trees migrate by growing new roots in one direction while old roots die off.